Natuldukan ng agam-agam ng mga bukal na kapanalig ni Ricky Noblesala sa kalagayan nito sa sangguniang panlalawigan dahil sa usaping legal na ipinaabot sa Court of Appeal ng mga kalabang bukal dahil sa legalidad ng pag-upo nito bilang kinatawan ng Indigenous people sa sangguniang panlalawigan. Sa isinagawang 56 regular session ay dumating na ang desisyon ng Court of Appeals na pumapabor naman kay Bukal Ricky Noblesala bilang isang miyembro ng sangguniang panlalawigan sa Camarines North.
Petitioners may file this suit to discriminate against the right of IPs to participate in all levels of decision-making. A. B. Since there are ancestral domains, ancestral lands in the province of Camarines Norte, IP representation is mandatory. C. RA number 8371 being a special law prevails over Republic Act number 7160. D. The NCIP administrative order on the requirement of an IPMR is not rendered inoperative just because the Sangguniang Panlalawigan has not tackled issues and concerns. On the last part of the decision, with regards to the NCIP administrative order on the requirement of the IP of an IPMR is not rendered inoperative just because the Sangguniang Panlalawigan has not yet tackled the issues. Ito po yung kanilang decision. Finally, contrary to petitioner's contention, Section 6, Paragraph A of the NCIP administrative order on the requirement of an IPMR is not rendered inoperative just because the Sangguniang Panlalawigan has not yet tackled issues concerning IPs. For Section 6, Paragraph A to apply, the only requirement is that there exists an ADAL, yung pong tinatawag na ancestral domain and ancestral land in a given LGU. Number 32, it is therefore erroneous and irrelevant for petitioners to argue that since no issues concerning IPs have yet been tackled by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, an IPMR is unnecessary. On the contrary, there is still more reason for an IPMR to be present in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan to introduce policies and reforms that will affect the IP's rights, lives, and destiny. So, dito po, wherefore, respondents Appellee Regional Director of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Region 5, respectfully praised that the Honorable Court rendered judgment affirming the trial court's resolution dated March 10, 2023 and dismissing the instant appeal for lack of merit. Ito po yung kanila naging decision. So, ang sinabi po dito ay it also prays for other just or equitable relief. So, wala po yung kay Bukal Ricky Noblesala po ay ito po yung kanyang desisyon ngayon.
Hindi po para i-discuss yung nilalaman. Ang akin po for the record, dahil ang mga involved ng kaso ay Sangguniang Panlalawigan, so ang lahat ng mga decisions ay ikakalendar natin dito para kasama. Tama po?
Yun po ay naipasok ko kanina for inclusion.
Yes.
Kararating lang po niya.
Opo. That's why yung mga susunod na yung mga nagkaroon tayo ng mga usapin sa korte, dapat ibalaan na natin dito lahat. For information, for the record.
Yes.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Samantala ay inaasahan ng makikialam na rin sa usapin at makapagsusulong na ng kanyang mga resolusyon para sa pakinabang ng mga katutubong manatee. Para sa totoo, Balitang Banwaan, Ricky Vera, MBTV News.